Gambling on success, understanding the risks and rewards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, gambling on success. Whether you've heard it in a movie, read it in a book, or stumbled upon it in a conversation, understanding what this phrase truly means can add a rich layer to your English comprehension. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this intriguing expression. Gambling on success might sound like a straightforward phrase, but there's a lot to unpack here. At its core, this expression combines two key concepts, gambling and success. Gambling, in a literal sense, refers to playing games of chance for the possibility of winning money or something of value. However, when we talk about gambling outside of casinos and betting, we're often referring to taking significant risks in the hope of achieving a desired outcome. Success, on the other hand, is the achievement of a goal or the attainment of wealth, position, honors, or the like. So, when we put these two together, gambling on success refers to taking significant risks in the hope of achieving success or reaching a desired goal. It's about staking something valuable, often not money but time, effort, or even reputation, on the uncertain prospect of success. To fully grasp the concept, let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be applied in real life. Imagine an entrepreneur investing all their savings into a startup. They are gambling on success, because there's no guarantee the business will thrive, but the potential rewards could be substantial. Another example could be someone changing careers later in life to pursue their passion. They're taking a big risk by stepping into the unknown, betting on the chance that this move will lead to greater personal fulfillment and professional success. These scenarios highlight the essence of gambling on success, the belief in the possibility of achieving great things despite the risks and uncertainties involved. Understanding the role of risk in achieving success is crucial when we talk about gambling on success. It's important to recognize that taking risks is a natural part of growth and progress. While the phrase might sound somewhat negative or reckless at first, it often embodies a positive and proactive approach to chasing dreams and goals. The key is to calculate these risks wisely, understanding the potential losses and rewards, and to prepare as best as one can for the outcomes. Embracing risk doesn't mean being reckless. It means acknowledging that the path to success isn't always safe or guaranteed. It's about making informed decisions with the belief that the rewards will outweigh the risks. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and implications of gambling on success. This phrase beautifully captures the essence of taking calculated risks in pursuit of our dreams and aspirations. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of embracing uncertainty on the road to achieving great things. Remember, while the gamble doesn't always pay off, the greatest achievements often come from those willing to take the biggest risks. Keep this in mind as you navigate your own path to success, and never be afraid to bet on yourself. Until next time, keep learning and growing.